So I got a good one for you guys today. We're gonna go over how we did our meat birds in the summer and our hoop coops. So stay tuned.
Shadows in the hall, shining the same figures on these same four walls. I'm better off saving all my time or saving things that occupy my mind. It's the eclipse. It's dark but also silent, leaving marks but never violent. Just because I will admit chasing all these shadows to keep them down, like strangers passing by an unfamiliar time.
We use this cotton head to wipe off our solar panels. So I was on my way to get some ground beef for dinner. We have 2 freezers, one inside the house and one in our sea can. The one in our sea can is usually the one that holds all the meat. We did 60 meat birds this summer, so let me show you what we got going here. So this is our freezer full of ground beef and the chickens. So we raised these chickens and slaughtered them ourselves. I think we still have like 50 in there, maybe 40 something, not exactly sure. We do like one a week usually. The nice thing in the winter is that you don't have to have your freezer plugged in, so you're saving on hydro there. So let me take you over and show you those hoop coops. We raised 60 meat birds, 30 in each, so we have 2 of them. The other one's behind the shop. It's kind of hard to get to, so I'll just show you the one. They're built exactly the same, but snow's pretty deep over here, so We're gonna have to come at it from afar. Maybe it's easier to see in that way. 2 cattle panels, and they're just bent over. And I just used that plumbing strapping with the holes in it to screw that down to the base of the 2x4s. And then we used 1/4-inch hardware cloth around the whole thing. And then we tarped it and strapped the tarp using this kind of strapping here, just so it wouldn't blow away if the wind picked up. So it worked out well. And then we slaughtered them. This was our first time slaughtering chickens, so it was it's definitely a learning experience. So we did mobile chicken tractors last year and moving them around every day to a new location. And my wife loves chickens. She is the chicken queen. But this year we're gonna do something different. We're gonna take those hoop coops and put them near our garden, and probably eventually put a permanent fencing around. So that way, when we take stuff out of the garden, we can feed it to the chickens. They can then turn that into compost, and then can be easily brought back into the garden. Instead of having a compost at another location on our property and having to haul it back and forth, this will just cut out the middleman and make it easier. But I think that'll be it for me today. It's supposed to be cold and windy, so I think we're just gonna hunker down, feed the wood stoves, and stay warm. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and stay warm.